In this video, I am going to show you how we can set up EIGRP authentication on Cisco router. In the last video, I have shown you how we can configure EIGRP without any authentication. But this time I am going to show you how we can set up authentication so that routers can communicate with each other securely. So the same topology is there. And now we are going to configure authentication. So on R1, go to the configuration terminal and enter here keychain, whatever you want to name this key. I will use EIGRP key, and then you have to give the keychain number. You can assign any number, and then you have to assign the key string, means password. So I am going to write here Cisco, and then go to the interface which is used for communicating on the router, that is using the EIGRP, that is FA0 by 1 in our case, and then type IP authentication mode EIGRP. Here you will type the autonomous system number and then MD5 authentication. As soon as you enter this, your neighborship will down because the other router has not been configured with the authentication. So let us complete, and then we will configure the authentication on the second router also. So enter IP authentication. Keychain EIGRP 1 and the name of keychain. So now repeat this same process on the second router. Keychain EIGRP key E1 and key string is Cisco. Interface is FA0 by 1. IP authentication mode EIGRP 1 MD5 IP authentication keychain EIG1 EIGRP key. So as soon you enter these commands, your neighborship will come up, and here we can see about the keychain show keychain. So here is the string we have used is Cisco, and also we can check show IP EIGRP. Interfaces detail. So here you will see the authentication mode is MD5 and keychain is EIGRP key. So in this way, you can set up EIGRP authentication on Cisco routers.